Hey folks, welcome in. If you're new, welcome. I'm going to do an unboxing of this book Nook kit. This one's called The Secret Rhythm, and I just was going to unbox it for you. It did not come packaged very well, but I mean, whatever. It didn't come very protected. So let's tear all these out. I have not done one of these particular type of kits before. I have done some chunkier kits. Of course, I've done Legos and all that. I've done some wooden ones as well. I just haven't done anything, I don't think, this tiny. I've done metal and that sort of thing. Not too many parts. It's got 355 pieces. It's not too bad. So yeah, it has a light, apparently. I think it has a light. 14 plus age group, so maybe we can get it done. And like I said, I just wanted to unbox it. I'm not going to put anything together. I may try to do that on live. I'm not totally sure yet. But I wanted to get it and see what all the pieces are. We have some wax paper. Don't know what that's about. Don't know what that's about. We have some steps. That's exciting. Some wiring, some language I don't understand. So, yeah, it looks like we have all these pieces to put together. Evidently, this is going to be all the little lovely cutouts. It looks like it's on sticker paper. Ooh, they are stickers. Are you all stickers? It looks like that is sticker paper. What are you? Are you sticker paper? These are stickers too. Nice. Nice. I'm glad for the stickers. I'm glad for the stickers. Anyway, so let's try to put this back in the way it came. This, of course, is going to be the light kit, which that's interesting. And then this shows the different options you have. We have some guitars and some things. Alright, let's put that back in there. Let's open this and hope we do not destroy anything. We're going to keep it all together, but I do want it all open, just to kind of show you the pieces that come with it. And then we may do this live. I may do it as a video. I may try to get Brian in on the deal. Can you even hear me? I was covering up the microphone. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Anyway. Alright. Here we go. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. Let's move this out of the way. Please and thank you. Okay. So we have this little piece, and it looks like this is where I'm going to do collaging of the stickers. So we're going to do there. Follow the notes upon the journey. At first sight marks one's destiny. Once the voyage comes to an end, return lies within hasty keys. So we have that. I guess I'm going to have to take all that stuff out. Then we have this. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. It smells very woody too. Smells very woody. Oh, it's a piano. It is very pretty. Did I do that the right way? I'm wondering how this is all going to work out. There's a kitty cat, but it is very pretty. Gasp. No! We're not ready for you. Go back in your hole. We're not ready for you. No. No. Look, you're already misbehaving. Now, how do you expect me not to throw you if you're already misbehaving? Stay. Right like that. Just stay there. Just stay there. We have some records. Cannot. Oh, there's AC/DC. I do see that. I don't see what any of those others say though. It is very pretty. I'm kind of impressed with the look of it. Now, when I, mess it up and can't figure out how to do it because I don't have patience of a billy goat. It is nice. And then there's the other side. So, there it is. What are your thoughts on it? Will we be able to do it? I kind of want to do it right now, but I shall wait. I think. But it's pretty sturdy. So, kind of impressed. We'll see if I'm impressed with my patience as we're putting it together. I'm going to put it all back up. There will be a link to it in the description if you're interested in it. Just a short little quick video. I wanted to unbox it and then decide if I want to do it live. If you watch this and you would like this to be like an impromptu live, then you can say down below. Okay? All right. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Be kind to one another. Make someone smile. And I'll see you next time. Bye.